Hi, and welcome to Teams App Camp. I'm Bob German, and in this video, I'll walk you through Lab A03. In this lab, you'll update the look of the Northwind Orders application to match the styles used in Microsoft Teams, and you'll add code to theme your application that stays in sync with Microsoft Teams theme. If you've completed Lab A02, then you can do the lab along with me. Just navigate to aka.ms/app-camp and scroll down to the link for Lab A03, Teams Styling and Themes. Special thanks to Tomomi Amura for her assistance with this lab. When we finished the last lab, the app was running inside of Teams, but it still looked like the original application. In this lab, you'll make it look like it fits in with the styles used in Microsoft Teams. Now, if the Northwind Orders application was a React app, we could have used the Microsoft Teams React UI library, where the controls are already pre-formatted to look like they fit in with Microsoft Teams. However, we made a conscious decision not to select any particular UI library so that more people could understand and use these labs. So instead, we're providing CSS, which is based on the Teams UI Toolkit Figma files. You can just copy it to your clipboard and bring it into the project. So to do that, I'm going to go to Client and add a new file, and we'll call that teamstyles.css, and just paste that CSS right in there. And then the next step is to just add an import to bring that in to our main style sheet so that those are available. And if you look inside of there, what you'll see is that it actually uses CSS variables to select the exact styles to use. And that allows us to support the light and dark and high contrast themes inside of Teams using a CSS variable. So the next step is to update the code. And so we're going to copy this function, setTheme, and put that into our Teams helpers file that we created in the last lab. And what this does is it will just set the CSS on the page to match a particular theme from Microsoft Teams. Now let's add some inline code, which will register a change handler so that when Teams changes its theme, we'll call that set function. And also when the page first loads, we'll find out what Teams is showing for a theme and call the setTheme function. Okay, now let's give it a try. We're already running the app, so all we have to do is refresh, and voila, we have the Teams look and feel. And if I change the theme, say to the dark theme, it automatically updates in the application. And in addition to that, if we leave the app and come back, we can see that on first load, it also correctly detects the theme that's in effect. I hope this video makes it easier for you to complete your journey through Teams App Camp. Once you've completed this lab, you can go on to the extended labs and add advanced features to your application. So thanks for watching, and I wish you smooth sailing as you complete the lab.